Hello. In this video, I'm going to review the real Woodie CCI indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator consists of two CCI indicators with different periods and displays the same histograms on the chart for the CCI with a longer period, as well as red and blue dots. These points are obtained from the calculations of the LSMA, or List Square Moving Average indicator. If this indicator is higher than the price, we have these red colors.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scale. Level up your trading.
If the price is higher than this indicator, and the price is above the LSMA indicator, we have these points in green. We can use these indicators to identify the trend so that when the histograms are red, we are in the northerly trend, and when the histograms are green, we are in the Saudi trend. For a short and long signal, we can also use these indicators when both these dots are green and we are in the Saudi trend. We can proceed to buy when these points are green and the histograms are also green, and when these points are red and the histograms are red, we can proceed to sell. Now, let's review the settings of this indicator. The first option in the settings is the larger CCI period, which we can specify, and the next option is the turbo CCI period, which is smaller. The next option, if set to true, will display the points for the LSMA indicator, and if set to false, it won't show these points. The next option is the LSMA indicator period that we can specify. The next option is for when the trend changes. For example, when the histograms want to change from red to green, it waits for a few candles. To ensure that this trend change happens and is confirmed, we can specify the number of candles that we want to display, which by default is 3, meaning that when there is a change, our trend will show up to 3 candles. And if this change is confirmed by 3 candles, then we will confirm that trend, and the color of the histograms will change to green, for example here. And vice versa, it goes from green to red. First it makes 3 candles, then it stays here, then it goes back and makes 3 more candles, and then it becomes red. We can enter the number of candles required for stabilization in this option. Here we can also specify the thickness of the CCI line, the thickness of the turbo CCI line, and the thickness of the histograms. The last option is for the number of past candles that the chart will consider for calculations. Well, now let's take a look at the interactions between the indicators on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Let's take a look at the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In conclusion, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, feel free to share them with us in the comments section so we can improve the indicators.